For a quick productivity win when using EKW, you can set up favorites. Favorites are a quick link on the home screen which can take you to places in the app that you use frequently. For example, if you have a worker who spends most of their time in the receiving bay, you could set up PO receipt as a favorite, like I've done here. This will save them having to open the menu, go to receiving, and click PO receipt. Instead, they just click the favorite, and they're ready to receive. Favorites can be set up against any menu item that you wish. To set them up, open the left navigation menu, hit favorite, and setup. Here you can see the list of all the screens that you can add as a favorite. This includes custom material queries, which I'm going to add one now. You select it, click save, and now my favorite has been added to the home screen. This material query has been created for the receiving worker I mentioned before. It will only show material queue items with transaction type purchase to stock. If I select my favorite, go to the material queue, we can see that my material queue filter has been added, purchase to stock transactions. And the first item I actually received only a few minutes ago. So if I select this item, go to my material queue, and process this item, this will move it to stock. And then once I've received all items to stock, I can then go back to the home screen, click on my PO receipt favorite, and I'm ready to receive more items. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for more EKW videos.